In this video, I'll teach you different ways to greet people on the streets of Tanzania. This video will cover informal, casual Swahili greetings, otherwise known as street language used by native Swahili speakers, especially young people when they see each other. First, I would like to point out that Swahili speakers never use the word Jambo in greetings. You can meet and greet even 20 people in a day, but I assure you, you will never hear them say Jambo. The only time you can hear the word Jambo is when you're talking to a tourist. So make sure to watch to the end of this video to learn how Swahili people actually say when they greet each other. The following 4 words are mostly used when people greet each other casually. The first one, Mambo. Mambo. Mambo is the most commonly used slang for WhatsApp here in Tanzania. It literally means things or issues. The second one is Vipi. Vipi, which means how. Vipi is also used in place of Mambo, or sometimes they are combined to make Mambo Vipi or Vipi Mambo. Number 3, Sema. Sema means speak. And number 4 is Nambiye. Nambiye. Nambiye means tell me. Now, you need to remember these are informal and casual ways of greetings. You cannot use these greetings when you're talking to someone you respect. The following are different ways to answer. These answers are not taught in any formal Swahili classes, so pay attention. Number 1, Poa. Poa literally means cool or recover. Number 2, Shwari. Shwari. Shwari means smooth. The word Shwari is usually used when talking about the sea. Shwari means the sea is nice, smooth, with no rough winds or waves. So if someone asks, Mambo Vipi, you can say, Shwari. Number 3, Safi. Safi means clean and no dirty business. This is to say everything is clean, clear, and pure. Number 4, Freshi. Freshi. Freshi is from the English word fresh. This is like Safi. It means like everything is fresh and not tainted. Number 5, Bomba. Bomba. It means awesome or nice. Note that the word bomba literally means a pipe or a syringe. Number 6, Mzuka. Mzuka. It is used to mean excellent or fantastic. However, literally, Mzuka means worry or a ghost. Number 7, Hamna Noma. Hamna Noma. It means no obstacle or no problem. This is to say no problem at home or anywhere. Number 8, Kama Kawa. Kama Kawa. Kama Kawa is a short form for Kama Kawaida, which translates to like usual. Number 9, Mpango Mzima. Mpango Mzima. It means full plan. Mpango Mzima means full plan, as in I have my act together. Number 10, Fiti. Fiti. Fiti comes from the English word fit, as in physically healthy. But it is used to mean life itself is fit and strong. Here are some examples to answer if someone asks you. If someone asks you Mambo, or Vipi Mambo, or Mambo Vipi, the reply you can say Poa. Poa. Freshi. Freshi. Shwari. Shwari. Safi. Safi. Or if someone says Nambiye, which means tell me, you can say Freshi. Or Kamakawa. Kamakawa. Or Hamna Noma. Hamna Noma. Also, if someone says Sema, you could say Mpango Mzima or Freshi. So you can use any of these words if someone greets you in an informal, casual way. After the initial greetings, you can use the following few phrases to keep the conversation rolling naturally. By using the word lete. Lete, which means bring. Here are the few variations of the word lete. Lete habari. Lete habari. It means bring the news. Bring the news. Lete mpya. Lete mpya. It means bring what's new. Bring what's new. Lete zaidi. Lete zaidi. Bring more. Lete story. Lete story. It means bring the story. Lastly, you can use the following phrases to bid someone goodbye. Kwaheri. Kwaheri. It means goodbye. Or kwaherini. Kwaherini. It means goodbye if you are talking to two or more people. Tutaonana baadaye. Tutaonana baadaye. We will see each other later. Usiku mwema. Usiku mwema. Good night. Lala salama. Lala salama. Sleep well or sleep peacefully. To know more about formal Swahili greetings, make sure to watch this video.